Hausa Potato, Chayote, Tomato, Coconut Milk Stew. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the vegetarian recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the Chayote recipes and one of the most different of the Mirliton recipes and one of the most nutritious of the Chayote recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the potato recipes and one of the most delicious of the tomato recipes and one of the most tastiest of the coconut milk recipes. Today we are going to make Hausa Potato Chayote Tomato Coconut Milk Stew. The ingredients are 2 tomatoes cut into pieces, 2 green chilies, 100 grams of chayote cut into pieces, a few mint leaves, 25 grams of ginger, 100 grams of Hausa potato cleaned and cut into pieces, 25 grams of garlic, and 15 to 20 shallots. And 100 ml of coconut milk. Heat the pan and pour in 10 ml of oil. Let it get heated. Spread the oil in the pan. Put in the shallots, salt, curry, until the shallots lose their pinkish color. Now put in the ginger, salt, curry, soda, now put in the garlic, salt, curry, ginger and garlic with the rest of the ingredients. Now put in the tomato pieces. Now put in the Hausa potato. Salt. Salt and mix the Hausa potato with the tomatoes and the rest of the ingredients. Put in salt to taste. Mix in the salt. Put in a quarter spoon of chili powder. Thoroughly mix in the chili powder. Now put in the chayote pieces. Salt. Salt and mix thoroughly. Put in the green chili. Mix. in 200 ml of coconut milk. Mix that up and let this mixture cook for 20 to 25 minutes in the pressure cooker. This is the final Hausa Potato Chayote Tomato Coconut Milk Stew. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the vegetarian recipes and one of the most unique of the Hausa Potato recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the Chayote recipes and one of the most delicious of the Mirliton recipes and one of the most unique of the tomato recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the coconut milk recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button. After cooking for the required time, put in the mint leaves on top as toppings and stir. Now the Hausa Potato Chayote Tomato Coconut Milk Stew is ready and can be taken off the flame and served.